What's up, guys? So here we are at the Yurt, and so far it's been fantastic. We're right here on the edge of Lookout Mountain, which is a mountain system that runs all the way up to Chattanooga and into Georgia, and this part's into Georgia, but it's a lot of fun. Like, this is a really awesome place to stay, and it's an Airbnb, and so you can find it and stay here. I think it's a Sky Ridge Yurt or something like that, and it's pretty awesome. It's got like a grill, it's got outdoor seating, and it's really cool on the inside, and I'll show you that next. But I've had a good time, and it's starting to snow, and then this is what the view looks like. It's pretty awesome. Love it. But yeah, definitely awesome place. Come stay here. You'll love it. Alright guys, so here's the view. And it's got a nice little patio area. This is the side of it. It's a yurt, and so it's kind of like a tent material, but it has structured like walls on the inside. So let's walk in here. Here's the inside. There's Rhiannon. Got the walls, they all go up to the ceiling fan in the center. And then they have the living room, the kitchen, and come around the corner. And the bedroom. There's a heater, sliding door. I guess it's the back door for like a maintenance kind of thing. The bathroom. And then it comes back around to the kitchen. So it's pretty awesome. Good thing we have four-wheel drive. Up here on Lookout Mountain.
Oh yeah.
Just walking around. It's pretty nice. Five Point Park.
And we're back with the rock. Look at this rock. Oh, there it went. Ooh, I'll go climb that later. Yes. Oh, there's a little cave down there too. Shoot, just we're stopping. Can you see it up here? Oh, there it is. Oh, let's go explore. Back. We're here. We're at the cave. There's a stream and a little waterfall over there, and a big black bear right there. Yeah. Yeah, I can see the snow in here. Yep. We're about to enter the cave.
Check this out.
Whoa.
It's pretty. Yeah, this is
Here's the cave. outside the door.
Hold on, I'm gonna get some other video of this. This spot is awesome.
Head northeast.
You still see some of it. It doesn't go back in there that far. So cool though.
Alright, just finished checking out all the cool stuff. Oh shoot, there's a bear again. We started riding home. Look at this. We're arriving at the Yurt. We got our windshield wipers on because guess what? It's snowing. And it's snowing a pretty good bit. It's kind of hard to see. You can see it a little bit.
And we're in Georgia right now, and so it's strange. Usually you wouldn't think it would be snowing in Georgia.
Nope. We're at the top of a mountain.
Yeah, they are.
There she is. Boop. Alright. Tuning back in when we're inside the Yurt and nice and warm. Alright, y'all. We're back in the Yurt. Trying to get this space here to heat up, but I'm touching it, so obviously it's just not heating up yet. We're gonna go around here because it is freezing outside. Here, look, look, look. It's starting to snow a little bit. You can't see it very well, but it looks all nice and icy out there. So we're gonna go do the space heater in here in our room. Ooh, this one right here, this one's at a nice 75. Ooh, this space heater feels so nice. Look at that. Look at that, so nice. So nice. It's really cold. Guess what we're having for dinner tonight? We're having quiche for dinner tonight. We go into the kitchen here. Look, we got our, oh, dishwasher's clean. Gonna put the dishes away. See if you look in here. We've got eggs and mochi cake. Ooh. Little mochi cake. Oh, really good. And we're gonna make
Alright guys, so the quiche is done. Let's check it out.
Here we go.
Jeez Louise, it's bright.
Turn the thing down. I'm gonna see. Oh, it's clean.
It's done?
Yep.
Nice. Looks delicious. Good job.
Yes.
What's up guys? So it's the last day at the Yurt. We get to wake up to this gorgeous sunset. I don't think you can see it right now. Hold on. Let me turn it down a little bit. Yes, gorgeous sunset out this morning. But yeah, last day at the Yurt. Here it is. And it was an awesome stay. We got to go to Chattanooga yesterday. Out there. Outside right now, like there's ice all over the deck, and it's just really, really cold. But yeah, it was really awesome. Chattanooga and being able to do all the stuff and being able to stay in the Yurt was fantastic. And I think we're gonna go to a cave on our way out today, back to Tennessee. But yeah, definitely come stay here if you ever get the chance. If you're going down to Florida or just on the way, and you're in that little top part of Georgia next to Chattanooga, definitely stop by. Rodney is awesome. He's the guy that owns these yurts over here, and yeah, he's really awesome. It's a great place, and it's an Airbnb called Skyland Yurts. So check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun. We had a great time, and I definitely recommend going to check out the yurts in North Georgia and the Airbnb. The host's name was Rodney. Definitely go check them out. They're really awesome people, really awesome place to stay, and Chattanooga is a lovely city if you're just visiting. So yeah, please leave a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and then comment down below what else you want to see on my channel, because I love making videos. I'll see you in the next video.